Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ringless voicemail campaigns with Podium for landlords, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, go to the Podium website and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the voicemail campaigns section in the main dashboard. Select the option to create a new campaign. Enter a name for your Ringless voicemail campaign to ensure easy identification later. Next, choose your target audience by uploading a list of phone numbers. Ensure that the phone numbers are formatted correctly to avoid any issues. After uploading, customize your voicemail message by recording or uploading an audio file. Make sure the message is clear and concise to effectively communicate your offer. Once your voicemail is set up, review the settings for your campaign. Double-check the schedule for when you want the voicemails to be sent out. After confirming all details, click the Launch Campaign button to begin the process. Wait for the system to process and send your voicemail messages. After the campaign has been completed, navigate back to the Voicemail Campaigns section. Locate your campaign in the list and click on it to access the details. Here, you will find an option to download the campaign results. Click on the Download button to retrieve the data in your preferred format. Store the downloaded file securely for future reference or analysis. Finally, review the results to assess the effectiveness of your campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.